Hey there everyone, and welcome to another lecture of this AutoCAD series. In this lecture we are going to see about the exercise, and this time we are going to see the final section of the line command, and that is the next and the first and the next point. And we are going to create the I section again, but this time with the help of this method. And believe me, as I have told you in the previous exercise, that this is the most easiest way of creating or line or any other shapes. So let's just start our AutoCAD and let's just see about that in a detail. So now we have the value or the dimensions of this whole I section. We have the thickness as 20 and we have the height as 100 and width as 100. So we have all the values that we are going to need in creating that design. So let's just start it. So now again we are moving on to our line command, and for the first point let's just take it as a 0 0. It is fine that you should use the mixture or the mixing of all those values, like using relative coordinate as well as the dimension and distance. You can just do that as well whenever you are required. And this time I am just providing 0 0 and that will be taken as this origin. And now we are moving on over here, and we have to create a straight line over here. So creating a straight line um, randomly is a very difficult task. So we are just using the ortho mode over here. So just activate this ortho mode and you will automatically get the straight lines. Just in this direction I am want to have the value as 100, so I'm putting it over 100 over here. Then in the upward direction we will make it as 20. Over here we are making it as 40, and over here we are going to make it as 60. So you can find that how easy is this method. You just have to provide the dimension of that line on that direction, and you just have to write that dimension and just press enter. Just keep in mind that you just have to press enter, you don't have to click your mouse. uh, Clicking the mouse will just create the line at that click. Like if I want to create a 40 over here, but instead of shifting or pressing enter I just click over here, so you can see that nothing will going to be happen. But if I'm going to just delete all those things, if that value will not be present over there, then that click will going to be activated. So don't click it, you just have to write the value and just have to press enter. Like in this direction I want the line, so I just put my cursor over here, just provide the value, just press enter, and you can see that we have that line over that direction. Then over here we just put 20, and in this direction again 100. Just in downward we again go for 20. This here we are going for 40, 60 over here, then 40 over here. And then finally at the concluding point we just write it 20, or we can just write 0 0. That's fine for this as well. So you can see that we have created this section how fastly, and there is no tension of creating coordinates or finding out the coordinate values of these points. You can easily able to create it just by the dimensions. You don't require anything else, just the direction on which you want to have the line and the value of that line. Just put that cursor on that direction, just provide that value and just press enter. And there we go. How fastly you can see that we have created the size section. So now it's time for your task. So what your task is to just create this F section as well. You just have to create this F section. It will have the same dimensions, like all thickness value will be 20 and the height and width is will be 100. And if you have created this section, then you can just move for the more advanced sections, like the E section. Okay, this is very thick one. So just E section, this like this. You can just have the same values, like the thickness values to be 20 and the height to be 100 and width also to be 100. Then you can also have the H section. It can be just a rotation of I section, and that's it. Then if you master all these designs, you can just move for much advanced sections like sections of X, like this one. And here also your height will be 100 and the thickness value will be 20. Then like M section and N section, and you can even write your own name if your name doesn't contain any curved sections. Like this A section, you just have to create it. The dimensions will be same. So as I'm telling you that you can able to write the name of yours, you if you don't, if your name doesn't contain any curved sections like P, D, C and all, if your name is Aman over here, you can just make it with the help of A, M, then A and then N. Similarly, you can just find out your own name and you can just write it on AutoCAD. And this is your task. And before moving on to the next lectures, I want you to just do these tasks, and so that you can just clear out all the things that is related to this line command. If you will feel any kind of doubt in just in these sections, you can just ask in the doubt section, and if the doubt is major, you can just go for our contact section and you can just write the query of yours, and even you can just contact us on WhatsApp. The number that is available on the website is our WhatsApp number, so you can just follow that as well. So that's all for this lecture, and I'm going to catch up you in the next one.